question, this one. Explain Brewster's law. Explain Brewster's law. This question is very short answers and also short answers. Short answers లో కూడా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మీది షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఇచ్చినా ఇదే ఆన్సర్ రాయండి, వెరీ షార్ట్ ఆన్సర్ అయినా ఇదే క్వశ్చన్స్కి ఆన్సర్ రాయండి సరిపోద్ది. కొద్దిగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా సింప్లీ. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ explain Brewster's law. What is the Brewster angle? First of all, what is the Brewster angles? Explain the Brewster law. Here, unpolarized light. When a unpolarized light incident on transparent surface at a particular angle of incident is called as here Brewster's angle. Here, the reflected ray, light wave, totally polarized and remaining rest of the light here unpolarized, refracted. The angle between the total internal reflected light and refracting light both are in perpendicular to each other. Ikkada endante simply, first of all, this is a transparent surface. This one here transparent surface. Okay. First of all, draw the normal. This is draw the normal. AB is a transparent surface. Okay. Unpolarized light incident on the at point O. Unpolarized light. This is a unpolarized light. This one here unpolarized light. That means here arrow symbols. This is a arrow symbols here. Dots. Okay. Here these are here dots. Electric and magnetic lines, electric and magnetic fields, these two perpendicular to each other. ఓకే, ఇందులో ఏంటంటే ఒకటి మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఉంటుంది ఫీల్డ్ ఉంటే అదేవిధంగా ఒకటి ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఉంటుంది. ద ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఇన్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. ద డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద వేవ్, లైట్ వేవ్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ unpolarized light. UPL means unpolarized light. This is a unpolarized incident on transparent surface. At point O. For example, now this is a reflected light. This is a reflected wave, light wave. This is a reflected light wave. Remaining here rest of the this one here refracted light wave. This is an angle of refraction. This one here angle of refraction. The angle between this is a reflected light wave. Okay, this one here refracted light wave. This angle between these two here 90 degrees. This two here 90 degrees. The incident light, this one here, this incident angle here IB means here Brewster angle. IB means here Brewster angle. Now this rays here dots, these are here dots. These dots here totally polarized lights. This is a total reflected light is a polarized light. And this arrow symbols, this is a unpolarized light. This one here unpolarized light. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది, ఇక్కడ ఇన్సిడెంట్ తర్వాత రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయింది లైట్. ఈ లైట్ ఏమంటున్నా రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ లైట్ వేవ్. దిస్ ఇస్ అ రిఫ్రాక్టెడ్ లైట్ వేవ్. ద టోటల్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ లైట్ వేవ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ద రిఫ్రాక్టెడ్ లైట్ వేవ్. దట్ మీన్స్ ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య కోణం ఎంత ఇక్కడ మనకు 90 degrees. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య కోణం ఎంత ఇక్కడ మనకు ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ వేసుకొని రఫ్గా. సో స్టేట్మెంట్ వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్. వెన్ ఏ unpolarized light, unpolarized light incident light is here incident on transparent surface. Transparent here surface at a particular angle of incident, angle of incident, okay, particular angle of incident called here called Brewster's angle. Brewster's here, this is a Brewster's angle, Brewster's angle. This is a here IB, this is one here IB. Now the total reflected light perpendicular to the refracted light, and here and the total reflected polarized light, reflected polarized light is perpendicular to here refracted light, okay, perpendicular to refracted light wave, okay, light wave. This is called here, this is a Brewster's law. This one here Brewster's law. This statement right first of all here, when a unpolarized light is incident on transparent surface at a particular angle of incident called here Brewster's angle IB, and the total reflected polarized light is perpendicular to refracted light wave. This is a Brewster's law, okay. Note this one first of all, this one statement 4 marks కూడా ఇదే రాయని సరిపోతుంది మనకి, అయినా 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా ఉంటుంది ఇది. Now from the Snell's law question, this note this one answer not, this is a statement సరిపోద్ది 2 మార్క్స్ కి, 4 మార్క్స్ కూడా ఇదే కవర్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ. Now from the diagram, from here the diagram from Snell's law, mu is equal to here sin I by sin R, the ratio of angle of incident to angle of refraction, that is equal to refractive index of the two media, that means here mu is equal to sin I by sin R. But here sin R is equal to here R is equal to refractive angle, R is equal to 5/2 minus here IB, 5/2, R is equal to 5/2 minus IB, okay. Now this is a mu is equal to sin IB, this is a IB, sin I by sin R, here I is equal to just IB and R is equal to 5/2 minus here IB, okay. These two here substituting here. Now sin of 5/2 minus here sin B simplifies here mu is equal to refractive index, this is a refractive index of the two media, mu is equal to sin IB by here, this means here sin of 5/2 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. Now here cos IB simplies here mu is equal to sin IB by sin cos IB, that is equal to tan IB, okay, tan IB. This is a Brewster's law, Now that means here this is equal to the tangent of incident angle, is equal to the refractive index, ఇక్కడ వరకు మనం రాసి సరిపోద్ది, okay. So finally mu is equal to tan IB. This is a 4 marks. Once again statement, when a unpolarized light incident on transparent surface at a particular angle of incident is called Brewster's angle, then the total polarized light perpendicular to the refractive light wave, it is called as here just Brewster's law. So the Brewster's law mu is equal to tan IB, here tangent of refractive Brewster angle is equal to refractive index of the both media, okay. This is a question number. This topic here, third topic, wave optics, okay. Next question,